Good morning, students. Today in this video you will learn the rules of past perfect tense and changing of affirmative sentences of past perfect tense into negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. The main objective of this video is that by the end of the video you will be able to solve all the exercises related to past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used for the actions that had happened before a past event. When we want to talk about an action that had happened before a past event, we often use the past perfect tense. Now look at these examples. When I got home yesterday, my father had already cooked the dinner. Now in this sentence, two actions are taking place. But to know which action has taken place first, we use past perfect tense. Now father had already cooked dinner. So in this sentence, what happened first? My father had already cooked the dinner. So it is the past perfect tense and other is the simple past tense. And see the next sentence, I did not want to go to the movies with my friends because I had seen the film already. So what happened first? I had seen the film already. So it is the past perfect tense and the other is the simple past tense. So the rule for past perfect tenses had plus V3, that is the past participle form of the verb. Now see the example. I noticed that he had left his books behind. Now what happened first? He had left his books, so it is the past perfect tense. And then I noticed, so noticed is simple past action. Now see the example of a positive sentence. The players had lost heart before the match finished. To make it negative, we will add not to a helping verb and it will be the players had not lost heart before the match finished. To make it interrogative, we will bring a helping verb in the beginning of the sentence and our answer will be had the players lost heart before the match finished. Add then question mark. Don't forget to put question mark. Now see students, every sentence can be changed into negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. See the first sentence, Rahul had completed his work. Now to make it negative, we will add not to a helping verb. So answer will be Rahul had not completed his work. To make it interrogative, we will bring a helping verb outside in the beginning of the sentence and our answer will be had Rahul completed his work. As it is an interrogative sentence, we will put a question mark at the end. To make it negative interrogative, we will write the had Rahul. Now we'll come to a negative sentence. Wherever we have applied not, it will remain at the same place and answer will be had Rahul not completed his work. As again it is an interrogative sentence, so question mark at the end. Now come on to another sentence. The peon had rung the bell. To make it negative, it will be the peon had not rung the bell. To make it interrogative, again we will bring a helping verb outside and answer will be had the peon rung the bell and question mark. To make it negative interrogative, it will be had the peon not rung the bell, question mark. Now see this exercise. Join the pair of sentences using the past perfect tense, making suitable changes where required. Use words like before, after, when to join the sentences. Now see, as I had already told you, the rule for the past perfect tense is had plus V3. Now we'll use this rule on the action which has or taken place first and the other will be simple past. Now see the first sentence, the patient died, the doctor came. Now what happened first? The patient died. So here we will apply this rule and the answer will be the patient had died. Now what we can use here? Before, after or when? It is before. The patient died before the doctor came. Now second sentence. The boys left the class. The teacher came in. Now what happened first? The boys left the class. So this will be the past perfect. The boys had left the class when the teacher came in. See another sentence. The train left, we reached the station. Now what happened first? The train had left, so it will be the train had left before we reached the station. Now come on the another sentence. He finished his homework, he went to sleep. Now what he did first? He finished his homework, then he went to sleep. So what happened first is he finished his homework. So we will use word after. After he had finished his homework, he went to sleep. Last sentence. The aeroplane landed, we arrived at the airport. Now what happened first? The aeroplane had landed, so it will be the past perfect. The aeroplane had landed before we arrived at the airport. I hope you understood this video. Now following these rules, do the related exercises of chapter 11, verbs expressing the past, from your basic English grammar and composition book. Thank you.